Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we visit the Rent Your Ryker garage with Stan there to clear the limp mode from my Can-Am Ryker 600. This is about the third time my Ryker's been in this state, but hey, we're gonna get a handle on it. Stan has the Can-Am Buds diagnostic kit on his laptop, so we're gonna clear it using that. I show us get the limp mode on my Ryker because it happens the day before Stan invites us out to clear it for us when Kevin and I are going out to get some wings. ThrillMouseMoto.
Kevin's ready to do some work, boy. Do some work. You need a bib if you're gonna really throw down on some wings.
Well, that's why it's red.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Covers up the sauce.
Nice.
RLS exhaust controlled chaos series video coming soon, so don't worry about that. But this is us heading out. So there's like a left turn that we take at about 45 miles an hour, and it's not really a turn if some people are familiar with getting limp mode in their Ryker in this fashion. So I'm going to show you that.
We're going to go straight down to AW grind to 45 and then shoot right over.
Nice. Man, it feels great outside right now. Yeah, what a great ride day.
This is a brand new paved road.
Yeah.
All the way.
So I'm just coming out of the turn right there. Well, it's not a turn, it's like a curve. You can see the way the road's going right now. I turned my camera on kind of late, and I just realized that I'm in limp mode because I can't keep up with Kevin, because my Ryker only goes like 35 miles an hour in limp mode. It'll say that it's higher, but it's really not, as you can see. But I just pull over so I can let Kevin know that it's gonna be a slow ride back, so I'll have to, I'll have to catch up to him because we're still gonna go get some wings. But I'm kind of sad because it's like, man, I don't have to deal with this. This is like a Saturday, and it's like, oh man, if I gotta take it to the dealership and do all this, because that's the only way that you can clear it.
Dang it, dude. It's that turn. Oh my God.
Yeah, I wasn't really hiding my disappointment there. It's just a drag. It's a drag that it happens the way that it does. But I hit up Stan, and this is the beginning of the next day here. He's like, yo, bring it by the garage. Let's try out the Buds diagnostic kit that I have, and I bet, we can clear it. And he's only like 15 minutes away, so we leave early, so it's not too bad, driving 35 miles an hour 15 minutes away, and we take some back roads. But that's just me clicking through the codes. I've had people ask that before, like how you check that. But if you look on the bottom, there's like a bottom left button where I'm tapping there, and you can get to codes, and you just long press to get into each one, and then you could read the codes on there.
The ride of shame. Got the control chaos on there. Covering up by this ugly, ugly, ugly thing. OVSS fault. Meet again. I know. No, bro. Kevin will pull up right beside me in one lane on a Ryker, but when he's on a scooter, he's directly behind me. Do you think that's the one time you'd be able to roll up beside a Ryker in one lane? Don't want to do it. Don't want to do it. There he is. Hey, there's my uncle. Bobby. My uncle. That was my uncle.
Hey, big shout out to my uncle. He's actually a pretty good supporter. He's been on like a couple of live streams before, which was pretty funny. So it was cool running into him like that. It was cool enough for Kevin to ride with me out there, but I think he liked this opportunity of being able to go faster than me on his ADV 150. He's Honda, so I'm pretty sure you enjoyed that, because normally I'm the one taking off on him. It still goes pretty fast. Those things go like 65 miles an hour, so.
Floor looks cool. Looks like I'm gonna slip on it. I can still stand on it. Nice. Garage floor. My thing, I took it off like it came off.
In there.
I know that black cap is supposed to stay on there, but it pulled off because I was doing it in the dark. What's hitting my head?
Just turn the ignition on.
Turn it on? The ignition?
Ignition on, right.
Yeah.
Don't start it, just turn the ignition
Yeah.
on. So it's VCM, yaw rate sensor failure, variant coding failure, an ABS fault, and lost communication with ECM, which is the one that I was getting when mine stopped running, actually.
Okay.
So let's go down here and possible causes.
Yeah, because the ones I actually see are 63, but there's one that says 60, but that doesn't show up on there. I guess that means something else.
So it'll give you a little synopsis down at the bottom and tell you why you're getting this, or possible reasons why. And that's saying at least one module has an internal error, damaged circuit wires or damaged module pins, and the yaw rate, wrong mounting, wiring assembly, position of the sensor is wrong. Invalid CAN device plugged in on this device, CAN bus issue, ABS internal error, lost commission. Oh well, let's just try and clear all of them.
There was some spots that were like scraped, and you had to.
You just hit that like eraser icon on there.
So then we're getting an error saying, is this 63 you're getting? Yeah.
So that's the actual code that I see. Well, I see one that's like C006C, I think, and then 63, but it sounds like they're always the same. It's like the same code.
Too many invalid AX values have been received during calibration. Let's highlight this. Yeah, it keeps going back to that same thing. Let's have it reread it and then try clearing them again. Yeah, see, no, it's not showing them.
And that was just by you just tapping it again.
That was me just refreshing it, yeah.
Refreshing it and then erase.
And everything here is showing a green check mark now.
So it didn't before?
No, before it had the errors on there. So let's try, yeah, we refreshed it one more time. Okay, let's try disconnecting and have you run it.
Yeah.
And then let's see what happens.
Nothing! Stands the man, dude. Look at that.
Take it for a ride. Just around the block.
Yeah. Is that what I got? And then the two reverse. There's the reverse light blinker on it. And
I'll pay the man.
There you go.
Yeah, $170, please.
Yeah, right. A big time shout out to Stan of the Wrench Ryker Garage to get your boy back on the road. I can go faster than 35 miles an hour now. So too cool. Really came through. I appreciate it for how much it costs at the dealership. All you Ryker owners know to get something like that clear. Another super big shout out to big time ThrillMouseMoto supporter Geek Girl of Ironside Customs shop. If you don't know about that shop already, you should. If you have a Ryker, she's making all kinds of cool accessories. If you don't already have some out there, I know in the video we did with David, he had a reverse shifter lever done by Ironside Customs, and I've been running into more stuff by her. And she does ornaments too for like Ryker related ones, and has a discount going right now.
Like yours.
Go ahead, turn it on. Turn it on.
The Can-Am Buds diagnostic kit was pretty sweet to see in action. That's the first time I've seen it in use. That's what the dealership uses, the program software, to do any of the work on your Can-Am Ryker. So it definitely costs to be the boss if you can just get it on your own and do your own thing with it. And that's pretty much what you saw here. So definitely some advantage to it, especially when you have a few Rykers that could benefit. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.